Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Taskbar is not hiding in the full screen mode, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first one is to enable the auto hide feature. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings, and then scroll down to taskbar behaviors, and then check the box associated with automatically hide the taskbar. Okay, and this will hide the taskbar for all applications, not just your game. So you need to be aware about this, and when you scroll down here you will notice the taskbar. So I'll tell you the real cause behind the problem. The real cause behind this problem is that that particular game or application has not been set according to the system, and that's why this issue is happening, or Windows has not updated itself according to that application or game. But Windows will definitely take note of it and eventually push an update which will fix this. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side, and click on check for updates. The last solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now you'll find the Explorer process here, Windows Explorer. Right click on it and then select Restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.